Hello friends, welcome to Health and Beauty Planet. In today's video I will share how to grow thick hair naturally. In today's world, hair loss and thinning hair are very common problems. There may be plenty of reasons for thinning and hair loss, but in this video, I am going to share few amazing tips and tricks which will help you to regrow your hair naturally, without using any chemical products. If you follow these steps, you will be surprised to see the result. Number 1. Eggs. Protein is very helpful to grow thick hair naturally. Egg is the best protein hair treatment. Take few eggs, depending on your hair, and beat it for a few minutes. Apply the egg on wet hair and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with water and a nice shampoo. You can use this protein treatment once or twice a week. Number 2. Castor oil. Massaging your scalp with cold-pressed castor oil. It is one of the easiest ways to grow thick hair naturally. Castor oil is high in vitamin E, and it promotes hair growth. Apply it on your scalp and massage in circular motions for a few minutes. You can use comb to distribute the oil throughout your hair. Cover your hair with a towel moistened with warm water for at least 1 hour and then shampoo your hair. Repeat this remedy once a week to enjoy beautiful thick hair. Number 3. Rice water. Asian countries knows the secret of benefits of rice water. It contains vitamins E, K, and B6 and proteins that is very beneficial for the scalp and hair. Soak the half-cup rice in 2 cups water for 20 minutes. Strain the rice and pour the water. Massage your scalp with this water for a few minutes and then rinse your hair. You can use a mild shampoo too, if needed. Repeat this couple of times in a week to get best outcome. Number 4. Virgin coconut oil. The best natural conditioners for hair is coconut oil. It is rich in potassium and keeps your scalp alive and healthy. It promotes the growth of new hair and repairs damaged hair as well. It would be more beneficial if you make the oil warm and then apply at your scalp. Massage it into the scalp with circular motions. Once the entire scalp is applied, comb your hair to spread the nutrients. Wrap your hair in a towel for an hour. Rinse it with warm water after an hour. Do this remedy twice a week to grow thick hair naturally. Number 5. Avocado. Avocado is a well-known treatment, nourishing, that can help to promote the growth of thicker hair. Avocado is green and creamy fruit. It is great to grow thick hair naturally. Thicker hair and will leave your looks shiny and healthy. Take 1 avocado with a tablespoon of olive oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp, leave it on for around 30 minutes and then wash out and rinse with warm water. Try this once a week at least. You won't be disappointed. Try these home remedies and if possible please share your success stories in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you like this.